How to fix Viber activation failed. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you troubleshooting steps for you to fix if you're trying to activate your Viber account and it is causing you into failed. So the very first option is, of course, make sure that you're currently using the latest version of Viber Messenger, which is this one here. If the update button is available, just simply tap on update and it will automatically update by itself, and then try to reactivate the account again. If it's not working, your second option to do is to go into your phone settings and locate apps. And then from apps, the easiest method in doing that is to go directly into the Viber application by tapping and holding in it and then choosing on the eye icon so that you will be redirected into app info. So once you're here, scroll down and then under storage, tap that, choose on clear data and choose on clear cache. And try to reactivate your account once again. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Viber activation failed.